Morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to be taking our Chapter 11 math test, and it's called Windows in the City. So it says, Kai and Alice are looking at the windows in their city. The windows are in many different shapes. Kai sees a window that has a shape he really likes. The window has all straight sides, so no curved sides. It has more than 4 angles or vertices and fewer than 7 vertices or angles. So it has to have more than 4 vertices, but it has to have less than 7 vertices. So it has all straight sides. So think of yourself, what shape has all straight sides that might have more than 4 points or vertices and less than 7? So maybe think of a shape that has 5 sides and 5 vertices, or 6 sides and 6 vertices. And what you need to do is draw a shape that the window could be right in this area. So go ahead and pause this video and then do that question and then hit play when you're ready to go to number 2. Number 2. Alicia sees a window in this shape. What is the name of this shape? And write it on this line. So think about how many sides and how many vertices it has. How many sides does it have? So count the flat sides or the straight sides. And how many points or vertices does this shape have? And you need to put that right here. So when you're done with this question, flip it over to the back. If you're still working on this question, go ahead and hit pause, finish it up, and then hit play when you're ready to do number 3. All right, number 3, it says, Kai sees a window in the shape of a circle. The circle is divided into fourths. Draw to show the window that Kai sees. So remember, when we split something up, remember it has to have 4 equal parts. Fourths, that's what fourths is, or quarters. So make sure you draw in the circle fourths, and they all are equal parts. So go ahead and pause this video to complete that problem, and then hit play when you are ready for number 4. Number 4, Alicia sees a window in the shape of a rectangle. The window is divided into 3 equal parts. Each part is called so just like we called fourths with 4 parts, what do we call 3 parts? That's called what? So put that right here on this line. After that, it says draw lines to show 2 ways a rectangle can be divided into 3 equal parts. So on these 2, you have to show 2 different ways that this rectangle can be divided into 3 equal parts. So 2 different ways, one here and one here. And go ahead and pause this video so you can answer that question and hit play when you're finished. All right, number 5. Kai also sees a window in the shape of a rectangle. What is the total number of same size square glass tiles that could cover the window? So right here, we already see there's some. How many of these tiles could cover the whole window? So we already have 2 here. So how many total glass square tiles do you think could cover this window? And write the answer right here. And finally, number 6, Alicia sees 3 windows. Each window is in the shape of a quadrilateral. How many sides are there in all? Blank sides. So you'll write how many sides are in the 3 quadrilaterals. So think about how many sides one quadrilateral has, and then you need to have for 3 of those shapes. So you need to add how many one quadrilateral has 3 times. So for example, if we had a triangle, you would have 3 sides to a triangle. So 3 and then plus 3 would give you how many sides 3 windows of triangles are. And explain how you know. So how many sides, and then explain how you figured out how many sides there were.